This is such an easy home tip. I don't even know why I'm showing it, but you know what? Simple things like this are things we don't even think about. You see, these furnace filters, when they're in here, they can be a pain in the butt to get out of there when you need to change them. So, simple thing. What I do, a little bit of electrical tape, peel a little off, stick it here, stick it here, fold it together, throw in the new filter. Now when it's time to take it out, no problem. Super simple. Hope that helps. Follow for more.